Globus Gates here, building Malibu back, and I want to talk about a couple of details that we come across on some quotes that our customers get, which just makes no sense. This fence maybe look good and very, very budget friendly. I mean, to the extreme. And the reason for it is because it's vinyl. It's actually vinyl, and I can break it with my fingers. This is not the this is not the fence type you want to put on your house. First of all, a couple stuff. One is going to fade very fast. Plastic, no into fading, very fast, and it's black plastic. This attract the sun in an insane amount, and it's going to lose the color very fast. This is only a couple months out, and this has already lost the color. It's gray instead of black. So obviously, we're doing this massive aluminum fencing here in Malibu. So this was a fence around the AC, and we said, okay, let's knowledge the community a little bit and understand why we're not putting vinyl. This is a combustible material which will catch on fire, will melt, and will make more flames or transfer flames into plants. So this is something you don't want to have on your house or near your house. Why? Because we want to stop the flames. And how you stop them is by doing aluminum fences, but essentially a non-combustible material, right? Material that doesn't create extra fire, right? Aluminum can't create extra fire. It can melt, but it doesn't blast in flames compared to wood or vinyl will get on fire. It's toxic material. It's plastics. We don't even know what plastics are in this. This is definitely not made in the US like our aluminum. We know exactly what is putting into our ballets. We know how we extrude the aluminum. We know how we powder coat it, how we powder coat our aluminum. And all that is on our Instagram, on our YouTube channels, showing you 100% transparency. That's the right way. That should be the right way it should be happening. If you're looking for your fence, if you're looking for your gate, you want to know where it's made. You want to know the grades. You don't just buy a fence just like that off looks, because you might end up with a fence like this, which is obviously not something you want to have on your house. So if you can see the process, you can trust the product, right? And smart people that are watching now will understand immediately what we are trying to deliver, what message we're trying to deliver as a company that does everything A to Z the right way, the USA way. We want to acknowledge our customers. We want them to feel comfortable with what they're buying. We're not selling you a cat in a hat. No, come and visit us. Oh, I'm getting bit. Come and visit us and understand and understand for your eyes exactly what you're getting. So, community, vinyl, we don't want on our houses. Wood, we don't want on our houses. And composite is a questionable material. It is not, it will potentially can go on frames because it contains plastic. And then remember, composite does contain wood. So probably not the best decision to put on Malibu. Obviously, it's definitely better than just raw wood, right? Oak or cedar or any of those. Redwood, definitely a better solution from that. But if you want the right investment, you got to go 100% aluminum, down to the screw that we use stainless steel. And that's going to give you, first of all, a beauty. Okay, it's value. It's going to give you beauty. It's going to give you a long-term durability. A lot of people ask what happens after 20 years if you need to repaint. Not a problem. You can repowder coat, which is a little task to do, but it is possible. And you can also just paint it on site with a metal paint, and your gate and fence will look exactly the way it was on day one. Because remember, the raw material is aluminum. And when you know what raw material your company is using, so let's say we use clean bellet, not mixed, and we use 6063 and oven it all the way to 6. That's the temper. That's going to give you how strong the aluminum is, how durable it is. Then we use AAMA 2604 for our coating. This is architectural powder coating. That's going to give you the highest durability for your powder coating. That's going to make sure, first of all, the bond is the strongest and the durability from the sun, from the elements. So that's kind of like a little bit details how we perform, what you get here in Globus, and why we want to acknowledge you guys and not end up with a fence like this that I can literally pick up with my one hand, and definitely not durable, especially not for wind, not even talking about fire. Wind, impact, there's no impact for this. I can break this, I can bend this if I want to, probably pop a hole with this if I punch it strong enough. You will not punch a hole in aluminum fence, I guarantee you. So do your research the right way, the Globus way. Check it out here.